US dollar against Japanese yen. The week started with these two bearish candles. The price has reached the support level 151.66, and then on Wednesday the price formed a strong bullish candle going above the first resistance level and reaching the second one at 154.70. After that the price has retraced back down, forming this bearish breakout below 153.30, and then the price has stopped adjusting between this resistance and this support level. A week has closed as almost indecision candle, with a larger wick on the upper side, smaller wick on the lower side, which means indecision on the market. And on a monthly time frame, we can see that the previous month has closed as a bullish candle, which is a bullish breakout, and then currently we have a small bullish candle body. What we can expect this month is probably there is a possibility that the price retrace back down to 148.90, just confirming this bullish breakout as a valid one. If the price goes down, then could retrace back up, bouncing from this support and trying to reach higher price levels. But also the bearish breakout could happen here, which will also be a target, as the next one will be 146.88. But until this month closes, everything's still open, so we need to go to the lower time frames as the weekly. Now for the weekly, what I can see, it is very messy around this area, so I'm not expecting too much, at least on the weekly time frame. What will happen? This is, we can see that after the price formed this bullish breakout, it has been confirmed and the price continued to rise in value, but it has retraced back down, trying to go below. The weekly time frame currently shows me that the next target will be 151.66, because the price formed this bearish breakout. Confirm it as a valid one, where the price did not go up above 153.30, but the price is trying to reach this support level. From this support I will see what happens. Will the price make a bearish breakout going even more down, or will the price bounce back up trying to make a bullish breakout like in this example on Wednesday this week? What will happen we'll see during the week, where I share the details every day with the traders. What is the current market status for this symbol and where the price could go. This is all for this week. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.